You better love me again. You better love me again.
Hello guys, this is Phone Tech and Crypto here once again. Welcome to another tutorial on Binance. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to trade on Binance futures, and you can check my previous video on how to trade on Binance spot and things you need to know about Binance before moving into trading. So, firstly, what we like to do is open your Binance application. You open your Binance application. So this is the Binance page. After opening the application, before I proceed, if this is your first time visiting this channel, kindly do so to subscribe to the YouTube channel below and turn on the notification bell to get more updates from Phone Tech and Crypt. So we move now. I said I'm teaching how to trade on Binance futures and not Binance spots. So we move to futures, which is this. So when you click on this, you can see this is the futures page. Hope you can see that this is the futures page here. So firstly, before trading futures, before you trade on Binance futures, what you need to do is to transfer your assets which you want to use to trade. And what you use to trade is USDT. Trade on Binance USDM futures. So that's what you use to trade is USDT. So you have to transfer the assets which is USDT to your Binance futures wallet. So on doing that, how to do that, just click on transfer. I think I explained this in my previous video also. You can check it in the description link on how to transfer assets to your Binance. But let me quickly just show you through a quick process on that. So when you click on this Binance, this transfer here, when you click on transfer, you will see this part, which is this part. So you see transfer from spot wallet to P2P wallet. But no, we are not transferring from P2P. We're not transferring to our P2P wallet, but we're transferring from spot to USD futures. So which you click on this. When you click on that, you select it. You see different type of markets in the Binance app. So Binance application is a very, very broad app which is in different type of things used to store crypto, exchange, and a lot trading. So now we have P2P, we have cross margin, we have USDM futures, we have CoinM futures, but the one we're looking into is the USDM futures. So you click on the USDM futures, you see. So now we are transferring from our spot wallet to our USDM futures wallet. So now you see it's always in USDT only, always in USDT you transfer, or BUSD, or any stable coin you want to trade. So you click on this. So let me transfer this one. Okay, I have one USDT here. You can see it. I have one USDT at my balance. So let me transfer it to my USDM futures account, and it will reflect immediately. It does not take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It will reflect immediately. You can see that success. So now, hope you can see this. You see immediately it has reflected. So that's it. Now, things you need to know now before moving into futures. Futures is just like there are similar differences from futures to there are similarities from futures to your sports, but they are a little different, just few difference from futures and sports. So now the difference is that futures has what they call leverage. Yeah, they have what they call leverage, but on spot trading, it does not have leverages. So what is leverage? To me, in my explanation, I'll call leverage a borrowed money, like you are borrowing money from Binance to add to your asset, the little you have, to top it up and make your earnings more. Hope you get my point. Okay, now let me run an illustration for you. You want to trade on BTC. Let me explain what this leverage is. This is where the leverage is. So you click on it. Let me now explain it. You can see now, if you are trading BTC and BTC goes up by 1% and your leverage is on 1%, it's still the same thing, the same profit you'll be getting. So now if you increase your leverage now to 10x, you can see that if you increase to 10x, that's 10 times. Sorry, 10. Okay. If you 10, if you increase the leverage to 10x now, so if BTC goes up by 1%, you'll be having times 10. That's times 9. Sorry, you'll be having times 10 of what you put in, times 10 of your profit or your capital that you put in. So you get my point now. So let me look for an asset we should trade on now. Let me look for an asset to trade. And note one thing I would like to tell you: do not trade blindly, please. Futures is just like is meant for experienced traders, meant for experienced trader, not for newbies. If you are a newbies, I will advise you to trade on spot only for some time before you get used to the futures. Do not trade on futures blindly if you are a newbies, please, for your own safety. The same way you make a lot of money on futures trading is the same way you make a lot of loss. So trade wisely. So now let me just search for SOS. Let me just EMOS. So now I want to trade my assets. You see, I want to trade the 1.15 USDT I have. I want to trade it on this. So I'm buying. Now there's what they call buy and there's what they call sell. When you are buying, in the crypto terms, it means long. You can see buy/long. When you are buying, it means longing. When you are selling, it means short. That is, I want to short USDT. I want to short US to USD. I want to short it. That would mean that you want to sell. That is when, okay, assuming you bought US at 4 point something $4.5, and US rose to $5.3. This point you are seeing here is the market caps of US. This is the market cap, that is, sorry, the current market price. Sorry, this is the market price of US. So what it means now is like this: if you bought US when it was 4.5 naira, and US rose to 5.31, this part here, you are on profit. So if US now drop down again to 4.9, if US drop down to $4.9, you will still be in profit. Hope you get my point. That is, you sell your EOS to USDT. As it's dropping down, you are making profit also. And the difference between spot and futures is that futures, you make more money, and it's quick way to make money, and also quick way to make loss. Hope you get. So your leverage, again, in other words, like your borrowed money. You are borrowing money on Binance to be able to add to your little asset that you have, to make sure your profit is more or your loss is more. So you just have to trade very, very careful. Hope you get my point. So if you increase to 30 here, that means if the coin rises by 1%, you'll be getting 32 times of that coin of your profits. You'll be getting 32 times of it. So just simple as that. So here is what they call, this part is what they call the chart. Before any trader move into trading, they always check the chart price. That's the chart. This is what they call the chart here. You can see it. They'll do a lot of what they call prediction, indication, and many other stuff on it. So you get my point. A lot of analysis. Sorry, they'll do a lot of analysis on the trade before they move into it, using a various indicators they have and other analysis and strategies. So you don't just move into trading blindly, otherwise you lose all your asset that you have in the trade. So you always have to learn first before you earn, which is you learn and you earn. So firstly, okay, I'll explain that. This is looking at the 1 hour chart. You can see it. But I won't move into analysis this time. I won't move into analysis. I'm just trying to teach you on how to trade on Binance futures. But this one now, I'm not going to move into analysis on that topic. So okay, let's move back to it. So this is it now. So you see the similarities that we have from Binance futures and Binance spot. You see the Binance futures have limits. Also the Binance spot has limits. You see they have markets. You can see they have markets. They have stop limits. That's the similarities that in most of them. So you can see that. So limit now, I already explained to the previous video. Check that in the description link also to check how to trade on Binance spot. Limit, what limit means, let me just give a recap on that. Limit means that you are buying at a certain price or you are selling at a certain price. Hope you get that. That is, if the current market price of US is $5.351, that is, I want to set it that once this price drop to once the price of US drop to 5.3 okay, let me just say, when the price drop to $4.5, I will buy US, that my order will take place. That's what limit means. So when you are talking about sell too also, that means once EOS price hits $5.6, I will sell my EOS. Hope you get my point. That's what that means. So it's just as easy as that. And we have the stop loss and we have the take profit. So that's what it means, sha. So we are moving now, we are moving forward, we are moving forward. So this is what they call the order book. This particular point is what they call the order book. You can see that is where this is where the buyers, all buyers in the world using this Binance application to trade. This is their buy. This is the price people are buying it. The amount of US that you get when you're buying it. People are using their different leverages on trading. That's this Binance futures. So you understand. The green one here is the Binance. Sorry, the green one here is people buying. The red one here is the people that are selling the coin. This is people that are buying the coin at a certain price and giving price. So some people do buy on market price. Some people buy when they set their limit and all that. So that's just all about that. I think I'm breaking down the Binance features for you guys for some time. So this is it. Thank you very much, guys. This is Phone Tech and Crypto here once again. I'll see you in the next video, guys.